not entirely sure you can see anything. It's like 7 a.m. I woke up recently and was using the toilet. Then I heard it started to rain and I had clothes outside, so I had to clean up real quick and go outside and get my clothes. I posted a video yesterday. I'm proud of myself for that. Good morning. Let's see how today goes. I know, relax, okay, relax, okay. The hair's crazy. I want to go on a walk, but I can't because the roads are actually quite flooded. But I'm going to go downstairs to buy something today. Where's my hoodie? Oh, wait, where's my Me going downstairs to buy, I initially wanted to go on a walk. I had an idea. I'd probably wear like a hoodie and then the trench coat. Okay. Like this trench coat, I wear this and then the hoodie, grey hoodie underneath. I think it's kind of waterproof, I'm not sure. But obviously I can't wear this now. It's flooded on the road. So I thought it'd be, you know, aesthetic. Okay, where's my hoodie? I don't know what I'm going to do today. I actually really want to walk. Why did I not take my glasses off? Hey, at least one good thing about the hoodie, my is covered. The hideous thing. This is what it looks like. And I think this looks nice. And it's cozy too. So, yeah. Anyways, let's go downstairs. Anyways, I'm back. What did I buy? I already dispersed everything. So, I bought bread, careee. If you don't know what that is, it's basically bean cake that's fried and beans with like pepper and a bunch of stuff, whatever. We also ran out of coffee, so yeah. I have come to realize glasses are not very functional when it's raining. Wow, discovery. I would have done a haul, but I'm already giving everyone this stuff. And I want to go and dress. That's a power bank, by the way, that my sunset lamp is. English. I don't know what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. I'm already starting to get hot in this. I'm starting to sweat in this. I need to change. I can't wear long sleeve clothing in cold weather, otherwise I'd sweat, and I can't wear short sleeve clothing in hot weather because I would sweat. I know, I'm just built different, like. Okay, talk to you later, bye. I hope that was a wink. I hope that was a proper wink, not like I closed my 2 eyes, like. Loser. Can you wink? Let me know in the comments. Like the video, please. I also bought buns. If you don't know what that is, it's basically kind of street food as well, but it's usually served in small shops. And small shops are street food as well, usually served at weddings. And it has chicken, samosa, spring rolls, etc. blah blah blah. I think those are very Asian dishes. Like the samosa and spring rolls. I don't know. So I just took a shower and I was looking in the mirror. I noticed that I am starting to have like blue in my eyes.
Y'all already know who I am. My name's Soper.
I'm changing, y'all. I'm changing the rims of this one. Okay. Or it's either that or I'm going blind from cataract, and I choose the former. But I did read somewhere that it is possible for like brown eyes to like develop blue stuff.
Side eye. Side eye.
I saw that on TikTok. That's you know what? I do not care what you say about TikTok. For this situation, it is a valid source of information. Don't. No. Yes. And now I can say my eyes match my underwear because I'm wearing blue underwear. Want to see? I never listen to R&B, ever, but I have been playing SOS non-stop. I replayed that album at least 6 times, and I wanted to do it again today. Scissor, what did you put in that music? I wish I could explain how strange this is, because I never thought I liked this genre. This is not very ideal for watching this, by the way. I was going to pretend that I read before I, go to bed, but I'm sure you can tell that's a lie. I'm not going to do that. I lie enough already on my Instagram stories, so. I usually apply this chapstick by Nivea. Where is this? Ignore this thing on my head. It's just for my hair, like a satin wrap. It's to keep my head from, I don't know what it will do, but I believe it does something to my head. Yeah. My hair's still wet. I should wait till this dries. Okay. I'm not going to bed. That was a fake one. I don't know why I'm lying. I should not do that to the camera. Anyways, that's all. Wait, hold on. Let me just show you guys the... Oh. This is the lip balm. Like 2 million people are going to buy this now because of me. So, Nivea, sponsor me, okay? I usually prefer the watermelon one. This is the coconut flavor. It's okay, it smells nice though. Really nice. They all smell really nice. I prefer the watermelon and... what's the other one? I've forgotten the name of the other one, but yeah, and also this also has SPF 15. This is not an ad. Nivea, sponsor me. I am giving you guys free promo. Sponsor me, please. Rent is due. It's the first of the month. Hello, editing me here. This is not even like 5 minutes after I ended recording, but I wanted to ask if I should keep I don't know if I should like cut off all of my facial hair. So if I should keep my facial hair, like the video. If I shouldn't keep my facial hair, like the video and subscribe. Or just tell me in the comments where I should keep and what part I shouldn't keep. Because I really hate this, it injures me, so this definitely has to go regardless. So just let me know if I should keep the mustache. Bye!
Happy birthday, my son. If only I could have helped you.